questions, electricity equations, more of them, section 9. Equations involving power. So we've got two power equations. We've got, quite simply, power is equal to current times voltage, and we've also got power is equal to I squared R, which is normally used for heating losses, power losses in transmission lines, but we'll see how we get on. So, first one, calculate the power of a bulb if the current through it is 2 amps and its potential difference across it is 5 volts. So, so we're going to calculate power. We don't know. Underline what I've got, 2 amps and 5 amps, 2 amps and 5 volts. Current is equal to 2 amps, volts is equal to 5 volts. So quite simply, power is equal to IV. Insert, that's going to be 2 times 5, and that's going to be 10 watts. There we go. Now, use the equation power equals I squared 1. So, what's the power of the motor? Find the power again. I've got 4 amps and 3 ohms. So, I is equal to 4 amps and R is equal to 3 ohms. So, that gives me power is equal to I squared R, which is equal to 4 squared times 3, which is equal to 16. 16 times 3, which is equal to 48. That's 48 watts. So, what is the charge flowing through in a circuit of 2 amp passes through it in 3 seconds. So we're finding charge here. Panic for a moment, but the equation's there anyway. So charge Q, we've got 2 amps in 3 seconds. 2 and T is equal to 3 seconds. So Q equals IT is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 coulombs. Moving on to some standard demand questions. So, write down the equation that links power, current and potential difference. So, power is equal to IV. Now I'm just going to remind myself it's bug FIFA. So box what I need to find now. What is the current? Underline the data. Grab my data. So I don't know. But I've got power 12 watts. I've got a reading of 5 volts. 5 volts. So formula, power equals IV. Insert 12 is equal to I times 5. So I want to make I the subject, so divide both sides by 5, and that means I've got 12 divided by 5 is equal to I, and that's equal to 2.4 amps. I'll just write that in there. So write the equation that links potential difference, current and resistance. So potential difference, current and resistance. So R is equal to V over I, which is Ohm's law. So potential difference, current and resistance. What is potential difference across a wire that has 6 milliamps flowing through it and a resistance of 200 ohms? So potential difference, 200 ohms, 6 milliamps. So potential difference V, voltage. I've got current I is equal to 6 milliamps, which is equal to 6 times 10 to the minus 3 amps, and I've got a resistance of 200 ohms. So formula, R is equal to V over I. Insert, so I've got 200 is equal to V over I, which is 6 times 10 to the minus 3. So I make V the subject, so multiply both sides by 6 times 10 to the 3. So I've got 200 times 6 times 10 to the minus 3 is equal to V. and the answer to that is 1.2 volts. So moving on. Wow, we've got 13 of these questions to do, so I'm going to stop after I've done the first 7. Keep the video quite low in time. Right, write the equation that links power, current and resistance. So power equals to I squared R. Calculate the current through a heater at a power of 3000 watts and 100 ohms. So we need to current I, don't know what current is, we do know it's got a power of 3000 watts, resistance of 100 ohms. Okay, so I've boxed, underlined, grabbed. Now I need to write down my formula. P is equal to I squared R. Now I'm going to insert. Now I've got 3000 is equal to I squared times 100. So now I'm going to rearrange. Divide both sides by 100, and that will give me 3000 divided by 100 is equal to I squared. So what I'm going to do is just cancel those. That means I've got I squared is equal to 30. So I squared equal to 30. So I need to do the opposite to I. So the opposite of squared is square root. So I is equal to the square root of 30. So square root of 30 is 5.47. 5.47. I'm just going to round that up to 5.5. 5.5. There's joules there. I'm calculating current, so that should be amps. So now, last one on this video. Write down the equation that links charge, current, and time. Q is equal to IT. How much charge flows in a circuit if there's a 3 milliamp passing through a fan for 7 hours? So I've got charge, that's Q, I've got 3 milliamps and 7 hours, so current is equal to 3 milliamps, which is equal to 3 times 10 to the minus 3. Time is equal to 7 hours, which is going to be equal to 7 times 60 times 60 seconds. So 60 times 60 times 7 is equal to 25200. So Q is equal to IT. Substitute the numbers in. 3 times 10 to the minus 3 times 25200. And that will equal 75.6 coulombs. Okay, thank you.